Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this are the Xiaomi's Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. These have finally arrived. The couriers were not working. We weren't getting any devices from most of the brands. We could get a couple of them recently, the Realme's Nazo series, and now Xiaomi has finally been able to send us the Mi Wireless Earphones 2 and also the Mi Box, which we would be doing a video of in a separate video. And this is totally about the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. This is the unboxing and the quick spec overview or the feature overview of what all this offers. This is not the review. I got these only today, so at least a week of usage so that I can understand the battery life, which is claimed to be about 14 hours for the case and 4 hours for the earbud individually. So we'll be testing all that out along with the connectivity and the other options in the coming days, and also about the sound quality. But let me give you a quick spec overview and do the quick unboxing of the box package. So this is the box package of the Mi True Wireless Earbuds 2, a standard box package that would talk about some of the major features that are given on the front itself. On the back, it's all about the certifications, the manufacturing, and the pricing. Though the MRP is different, these are priced at 4,000 rupees in the market. They are available on several platforms. Now moving on to the actual features, it's a 14.2mm dynamic driver. So these come with the composite diaphragm dynamic driver unit, and along with that, the major thing is it supports the LHDC, which means the low latency and high definition audio codec, which is about 3 times more data than the SBC. SBC is the standard one that has been present on several regular Bluetooth earphones, and LHDC is something that is a later standard and that helps keeping the latency lesser but also transmits a higher definition audio. So a better audio output is given to these earphones from the source devices. So that's how this is supposedly going to be better with the audio quality than most of the other earphones in the market, though some of them like the premium ones, the Apple AirPods or the Sennheiser's True Momentum, those are something that would support the better audio in their own ways. But these have the LHDC support, which is quite a good thing here. Now it also has the environmental noise cancellation. The environmental noise cancellation is done by 2 microphones. There are 2 microphones, one on the top, one on the bottom, and they both work in sync, so that one is for the audio to get into the earphone and the second is to actually take in the environmental noise around and try to cancel it out. So these two work in sync, one in actually getting in your voice or the audio, and the second one to take in the environmental noise, that is the ambient noise, and cancel it out. So it's not going to be a complete passive noise or an active noise cancellation. You can call it passive, but it's not the ANC. You won't be able to expect ANC in these kind of wireless earbuds, but it still is trying to cancel out some noise. So we'll also test this particular feature to see if I'm able to cancel out noise when I'm in some noisy conditions. Though right now not a lot of noisy conditions are going to be expected. There are lesser vehicles on the road, there are no offices running, so not a lot of noise around anyway. But still, let's see if the person on the other side is able to listen to the calls clearly. That's what I'm going to test out. That's another thing. Next, this also has the inbuilt optical sensor. So one thing that many earphones or the True Wireless Earbuds miss out is this thing. The Realme Buds Air had it, so that was one feature that I actually liked, because whenever you pull out your earbuds from the ear, these should automatically understand that, okay, I'm not being used right now, and it should be able to actually pause the music. If you're playing some music and you're listening to that, if you're talking to someone, you should just pull it out and it should be pausing the music. That's what is going to happen in this wireless earbuds. It has the optical sensor to understand if you're actually wearing them or not. So that's another good feature addition. So for 4,000, I would say there are a few things that are actually pretty good. There's also the Google Assistant, Siri and Alexa, so you can choose from one of those assistants, and a double tap on your earbuds with those touch gestures is going to actually activate the Google Assistant or Siri or the Alexa, whatever the voice assistant you choose. So those are the major features. The battery life is claimed to be about 4 hours, and apart from that, the case is said to be having about 14 hours of extra battery life. Again, that is claimed, or you could say it's not on full output of the volume. So those things is what we'll be testing. Frankly, this is not the review, so don't come down telling us that this is not a review that you have given. We obviously are mentioning that the review should take about a week or 10 days minimum for us to understand whether these are worth the price. So I'll take out one of these earbuds. You can clearly see that if you take them out, you can clearly see that the stem of this one is not thin. It's actually a very thick stem. It's a bit unusual. You won't find a lot of earbuds with these kind of stems, thick cylindrical stems, but that's how it is. For example, I'll just show you one of the other earbuds that I have. These are the Soundcore Life Note. These are super thin. When you talk about the same stem, these are super thin. So comparatively, these are not as thick. And anyway, this is still only about 5 to 6 grams. I don't remember the exact weight. It's said to be around 5 grams, I guess. So these are not heavy, but they are thick, and it can be easily seen that way, that they are thick, and they won't be easy to mimic or feel like you are not wearing something. They surely would look like, okay, you're wearing some thick earbuds on your ears, but otherwise it's not uncomfortable, and they are pretty weightless, or they are pretty light. So that's one thing. And I'll also talk about how comfortable they are if you're trying to walk or jog wearing these earbuds. So that's all going to come in the review in a few days. So that's it for now. This was a quick unboxing. These were the things that are present in the box package. Only apart from the earbuds and the case, you're going to get the USB Type-C cable and the quick start guide. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.